everyone, welcome back to Clean Eating Kitchen. I'm Carrie and this is where I share easy recipes that make you feel great. And today I have another recipe for my Instant Pot Basics series. So we're getting close to summer and it's really warm here in California. I've got my tank top on and I don't want to turn on the oven to make some delicious baked potatoes. These are russet potatoes and we're going to cook them in the Instant Pot today. So first we need to add our trivet into really any size of Instant Pot that you have will work. I am using a 6-quart Instant Pot. And then we need to add 1 cup of water. Now I want to show you these russet potatoes. Russet potatoes can come in a variety of sizes, anywhere from small to extra large. The reason you need to know that is because the size will determine how many minutes you cook your potatoes for. For a medium potato, which would maybe be only about that big, you would need to cook it for 15 minutes. A large potato would be closer to a little bit bigger than this potato here. So I'm actually going to cook these for 18 minutes. And then I've even seen extra large potatoes, which is the kind you might find at a store like Costco. And those you would cook for up to 25 minutes. So I've laid the potatoes in here. You can see we could actually fit a little bit more. We could probably fit up to 7 or 8, and it's okay if you stack them, but the way they are here, I only need to cook 4. It's just my husband and me in my house, so we will eat these tonight and then we'll have leftovers for tomorrow night. And now we're just going to lock on the lid, and then we're going to set the time to 18 minutes. Oh, it's already set. And I'm going to take off the keep warm. Your Instant Pot may have different settings. This is an Instant Pot Max, but they pretty much all work about the same. And so we'll come back in after the cooking time is complete and I'll show you how perfect they are. So the Instant Pot is finished, so let's take off the lid. Okay. Now I've had a few people ask me if these really are like baked potatoes, because they're technically not baked, they're pressure cooked. And personally, I feel like the flavor is exactly the same. I'll show you one of the potatoes. It's just perfect. And I also wanted to mention that one benefit about cooking the potatoes in the Instant Pot is that you don't have to prick the potatoes. And you can see they're just perfectly soft. I can just cut into it so easily. And then you can just use the fork. I always like to mash it just a little tiny bit. And you can put your favorite toppings on the cooked potato, like butter or ghee, sour cream, bacon bits, chives, all those good things. And this is the perfect easy side dish. I hope you love it too. And be sure to check out that playlist with my other Instant Pot Basics recipes. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.